Hello, children. Are you doing the problem solving workshop this week? I'm talking about the period between 19th and 25th of December. I'll just quickly go through the material that they are covering. If you do not know this, then let me make you aware that problem solving workshops happen at Cheenta every week for sometimes 4 to 5 times every week, sometimes twice every week. These are separate from the regular concept building classes that are happening. The most successful candidates are usually the most regular ones at the problem solving workshops. This is statistically true. In the junior problem solving workshop, this is directed toward Math Kangaroo. They are talking about seeds of bijection principle. This is for elementary school students. They're also talking about introduction to set theory. So at this level, it is very visual. They have all the hands-on problems for bijection principle or set theory because these are really little kids. Then we have the intermediate problem solving workshops. There are workshop A and workshop B. In both of them, they are working on PHP, arithmetic progression, areas of triangles and rectangles. So PHP or pigeonhole principle is particularly very interesting. Suppose you have 4 holes and 5 eggs, 5 eggs and 4 holes. You want to put the 5 eggs in the 4 holes. Then without a doubt, you can say that at least one hole will contain more than one egg. If you think about it, it's very simple to deduce that at least one hole will have more than one egg. But using this very simple principle, such interesting problems can be solved. This is for NMTC and AMC8, this particular problem workshop. This happens 5 times a week. And for overseas students, for Americans and Europeans, they happen twice a week. This is toward UKMT. This is workshop B. Then we have the senior problem solving workshop for IOQM and AMC 10 and 12. They are working on geometry problems, problems on parallel lines, properties of triangles, similar triangles, and congruence. Similar triangles are very powerful. If you think about transformations of the plane, congruency is when you pick up a triangle and you move it and you place it on the top of another and then they exactly fit. That's congruence. Similarity is you pick up a triangle, you stretch it or compress it, and then you place it on the other triangle and they exactly fit. So think about it. Both of them are transformations. Both of them are geometric transformations. They are functions taking one set of geometric objects to another, but they are slightly different. One of them is rigid, that is the congruence. The other one is it allows you to stretch or compress. It's very important that you understand these similarity or congruence, these through geometric transformations by movement. And those problems are getting solved in senior problem solving workshop. This is for IOQM and AMC 10 and 12. In the advanced problem solving workshop in INMO, they have complex numbers in algebraic form or everything related to complex numbers. An excellent topic. Again, complex numbers can be used very effectively to solve geometry problems. Complex numbers, complex multiplication is basically you are rotating and dilating. Rotation and dilation taken together. So this is quite useful. And finally, in the ISI and CMI problem solving workshop, you also have complex numbers and properties of real numbers. I cannot stress this enough that Cheenta students are so successful because some of them attend these problem solving workshops regularly. Please make sure that you do that as well, and I'm sure that you will learn great amount of mathematics.